This is Jonathan.
And this is Amelia. And we're the two broke explorers.
Today we're exploring a waterfall in Waterfall, just off of the Acutts Drive.
Are you guys ready? Come have fun with us.
Water and food. So,
and camera equipment.
So I would say it was quite a moderate hike. I wouldn't say it was an easy hike. If I was really not feeling well, I would have made it about a quarter of the way, but today was a good day, so I made it the whole way, and I'm hoping the route home, because it's a loopy-loop, I'm hoping the route home is going to be a lot more level and gentle.
Yeah, as you guys probably saw in the B-roll and heard with the voiceover, we actually did the route in reverse, which we would actually advise, because apparently if you do the route the correct way around, the ground is quite level to get to the waterfall, and then when you go back it's like up down up down up down. So if you guys do decide to come do this, we would advise that you actually do it in reverse, especially if you think except if you think you've got a lot of energy and you'll be able to power through the burn on the way back. So yeah, personally I would advise do the hike in reverse. That way you get the hard, difficult hike out of the way. Then you can relax and do a nice, leisurely, gentle stroll home. So yeah, we actually did find quite a few things. Some shongololos, as you might have seen in the B-roll as well, some birdies and stuff like that, yeah?
Shongololos, for those of you who are not African, I think that it's an African, not just a South African expression. A shongololo is a centipede. So
no, not a centipede. Centipede has less than 100 legs. That's called a millipede. A millipede has more than 100 legs.
Good point. The centipedes are those horrible things.
There's one of the big pointers like, no, yeah, no, not those. Not centipede, millipede.
This is a millipede, but in South Africa we call them shongololos. It's just a cool name.
Yeah, and normally they are not as big as what we saw today. That one was exceptionally big. I mean, close on 30 centimeters. That is huge.
I don't think I've ever seen one that big, quite honestly.
Yeah.
there was a few nice
Yeah, there was a
birds
few
too.
nice birds as well. We found grenadillas, randomly grenadillas growing next to the park, so that's a plus.
As far as I know, grenadillas are ripe around about November, December. It's now the beginning of November, so if you guys come in December, you might actually be able to pick some wild grenadillas.
Yeah. Also, as you guys must have seen in the B-roll as well, we met two wonderful, nice guys on the park. They are actually the guys that will put up a info on them, and they actually work in this conservancy area here and take out all the alien vegetation and to make it look nicer and more beautiful, natural for the people that do come visit. So definitely, if you guys can, please give them a shout out, or even
they've got a
Zapper code.
Zapper code.
Yeah, we'll put the Zapper code on the information.
It'll be at the end of the video.
Yeah, I think.
Alright, so what would I say people should bring? Some of the reviews on Google Maps said, bring a braai. I don't know if I would be willing to carry all the stuff to have a braai all the way out here.
Note, there are no built-in braai, so you would physically have to carry your braai here and then carry it back home.
Plus all your charcoal, plus all your meats, everything you need to have.
Yeah, so maybe rather not, unless you feel super fit and you want to.
We're not fit right now. So then I would say, don't necessarily do that. Bring a ready-made picnic. I mean, there was another couple that was here that were having junk food, which yay for them.
Random snacks.
We brought a bit of a more healthier salad lunch, so definitely bring a lunch and spend some decent amount of time here. Also bring your cozy.
Yes.
There are no change room facilities, so bring a decent sized towel if you are a Durbanite and you know how to get changed in the towel.
Or if you want, get changed in the car before you walk here, since it's going to be warm anyway.
Exactly. So yeah, that's all I think I would say to people to bring. Also, definitely sunscreen. Quite a bit of the trail is in the sun, and definitely mosquito repellent, like the mosquito biting your head.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I wanted to just add also mozzie or bug repellent, not necessarily mozzie repellent, because there are a lot of bugs here. Yeah, other than that,
bring a positive attitude.
Yes, positive energy and lots of energy.
Yeah, definitely. Leg movements. They're so gentle and so anti. This is Jonathan.
And this is Amelia, and we're the Two Broke Explorers. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun with coming with us today, because we sure did.
Absolutely. If you enjoyed this video and want to join us on more videos and adventures like this, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.
And ring that bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos.
Bye.
Bye.